Hey, welcome to Bargain Bikes. We have a good one today. We have a Marin 24.99 bicycle, 20-inch aluminum frame, really thick tread tires, Shimano parts everywhere. Looks to be a really high class bike, in my opinion. Usually people dump off, things that are just average. This is definitely an above average bike, in my opinion. I was very shocked for $24.99. I mean, we got a 500 series Marin with Shimano derailleur and Shimano brakes, and it's it's got a 3-piece crank and just it's name brand everywhere. I just wanted to show everything that it says, all these little cool decals and things, just in case somebody's familiar with this type of stuff. And just thought this bike being out of California was kind of cool. It looks very rich, in my opinion. So love how light it is. The front forks are very forgiving. I don't know if that's the year 2000. That's something I'm gonna have to look into. But definitely love the front end here. It's really nice. Like I said, forgiving, really nice brakes. Love the gears and the handlebars. Just really nice decal. It's just a nice bike overall. I was very shocked that it was in Goodwill today. And just something that we can take home and clean up, and definitely, if we wanted to resell it, we can definitely get our money back out of this one. This one's definitely up there in terms of value. I would say a bike like this, it's just like GT bikes. New, they probably cost $500-$600. So used, you could sell them between $100 and maybe you go all the way up past that. Just depending on the market. This is just definitely a bike that you might want to try to get as much value out of it as possible. We'll use our die grinder to just zip that off, but should clean up real nice. Love the tread thickness. Doesn't really need tires, just some air, some oil, and it should be good to go. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, please let me know or post a question for me. Thanks for watching.